morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your course book. Already we started our lesson. Air around us. Started now? Very good. Open it. Open your course book at the page number 23. Open your course book at the page number 23. Air. In the previous class, we learned about the air. Air occupies space. It occupies S. It occupies the space, each and every empty space. Air occupies. Air is there everywhere where it is empty. It is an empty room. In this room, what is there? Air is there. Empty glass is there. What is there? There air is there. Air occupies everywhere. It occupies everywhere. ప్రతి చోట ఏముంటుంది? Air ఉంటుంది. అవునా? Now, it is true that we can't see air, but how do we know about its existence on Earth? We know the existence of air when we feel air in the open areas, when the clothes slime away, when papers fly off near and near an open window, when leaves on the tree branches rust still. We can't see air. Air is not visible. Air is not visible. అంటే మనకి air కనబడదు. But we can feel air. Yes, no? We can feel air. How we can feel air? If you go to the open space. If you went outside, if you go to the open space, if you are in the house, you won't feel air. Air feeling nik raadu. If you went outside, you may get the feeling of air. Your hair may move, your frock may move. Your skin is feeling that air is touching to your skin. Understand? We may feel air. We can't see air. Air manaku kanabadadu. But we can feel air. And while the clothes are moving, while the dried clothes, ఎండిపోయిన బట్టలు ఇంకా ఆతు అక్కడ పైన ఉన్నాయనుకో టెరెస్ పైన గాలికి ఏమవుతాయి అటు ఇటు ఊగుతూ ఉంటాయి. సమ్టైమ్స్ ఇట్ మే ఫెల్ డౌన్ ఆల్సో. దట్ ఈస్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్. ఎయిర్ మేక్స్ ద క్లోత్స్ టు మూవ్. అండర్స్టాండ్? ఎయిర్ మేక్స్ ద క్లోత్స్ టు move. And papers, if you keep the window is open, if you open your window, you are writing some of the papers, you are writing notes on the papers, you are writing the notes on the papers near the window. Window దగ్గర కూర్చుని పేపర్స్ ఎవరు రాసుకుంటున్నారా? Suddenly you open the window. If you open the window, the air may get inside and the air makes the papers to fly. Why the papers are flying here in the picture? Because of the air. Air makes the papers to fly. Okay? Next. When leaves on the tree branches rust still. The leaves, some of the time, some trees may shed down their leaves. Rusty means shed down. మొత్తం ఆకులన్నీ రాలిపోతాయి. రాలిపోతాయా? Only branches are left over on the tree. Only branches are left over on the tree because of how the leaves fell down. Because of air. When The air is moving, the dried leaves fell down. ఎండిపోయిన ఆకులన్నీ ఏమవుతాయిరా కింద పడిపోతాయి. How? Because of the air. So we can't see the air, but we can feel the air. We can't see the air, but we can feel of air while it is moving. Okay. Next, one more experiment. Properties of air. Let us know about some properties of air. Take one empty plastic bag, such an empty polythene carry bag. Hold the top open and move the bag through the air to fill it with air. Close the bag by twisting the opening and holding it with one hand. With your free hand, squeeze the bag down till the bugless as shown. Air in the bag accumulates at the bottom and causes bubbles. What we have to do? You must take a polythene paper. Polythene paper means another plastic paper. Plastic cover. Take one of the plastic cover. Polythene paper is stronger than the plastic paper. So you must take only plastic cover. Normally meeku mana shop lo dorke plastic covers untayi kada. Take that plastic cover. Okay? Take the plastic cover. Open the plastic cover. Open the plastic cover. మెల్లగా దాన్ని plastic cover ని open చేయండి. When it was fixed, plastic cover face mouth side and mouth side into chudandra. Mouth side it was closed, no? First of all, when we are taking the polythene paper, the mouth side is closed. The mouth side ఏమంటుంది closed ఉంటుంది. Means the air can't go and can't get inside. Normal paper itla undanko air lopaliki podu. So what we have to do now? We have to open the mouth. We have to open the mouth. Now the air enter into the polythene paper. Okay? Now next what we have to do? You must make a knot. Knot ante chinna mudi veyali. First of all, you must take a polythene paper. Then open the mouth. Open the mouth. Then if you open the mouth, the paper like this. Okay? Then make the air to get inside. Then make a knot. Knot chinna mudu veyali. Then what happened? They filled in the polythene paper. Okay? If you make it tighter, so many times you may play like this. ఇలా పాలిథిన్ పేపర్ లాంటిది పేపర్ తీసుకొని ఇలా ఒక బెలూన్ లాగా చేస్తారు. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారా? You make it like a balloon. Bulbs means balloon. If you make the paper like a balloon, what is there inside? How it was? How it looked like balloon? What is there inside? Amma, the polythene paper looked like the balloon. మనం దాన్ని గట్టిగా కట్టేసామంటే అదొక బెలూన్ లా కనబడుతుంది. How it look like balloon? What is there inside? Why it enlarge? What make the polythene paper to enlarge? Enlarge అంటే పెద్దగా బెలూన్ లాగా ఎలా అయిపోయింది? What is there inside? What is there inside? Air is there. By this experiment, we can understand air occupies place. Air occupies place. It occupies space also. ఎక్కడ స్పేస్ ఎంటీ కనబడితే అక్కడ అది ఆక్యుపై చేసుకుంటుంది. ఏంటిది? ఎయిర్ ఆక్యుపైస్ స్పేస్. Next, what does it shows? Next one, next I'll explain that it. Take two balloons. Take two balloons. Take two balloons, inflated balloons. Inflated means they won't allow the air in it. Inflated. These are the inflated balloons. Inflated balloons అంటే అది మనము అందులో గాలి ఊదలేదు అక్కడ. That both are only the balloons. Take two balloons and take one stick. Take two inflated balloons. Inflated means we did not let the air in it. We did not let the air in it. అంటే మనం గాలి అందులో ఊదలేదు. Just normal balloons. Take two inflated balloons. Then you must take one of the stick which is not bent. Strong stick. What we have to do? Take one of the strong stick which is not bend. Bend అవ్వకుండా గట్టిగా ఉండే స్టిక్ తీసుకోవాలి. Okay? Then you must tie two balloons, two inflated balloons to their edges. To their edges. Understand me? What we have to do? Take two inflated balloons. We have to take two balloons, which is not a blow. Which is not blow అంటే మనం గాలి ఊదలేము అందులోకి. ఊదని బెలూన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. Then you must take one of the stick which is not bend. Bend అవ్వకుండా ఉండే ఒక స్ట్రాంగ్ స్టిక్ తీసుకోవాలి. Then you must tie with a rope. You must tie the two balloons with a rope at the edge of the stick. At the edges of the sticks. You must understand me? You must tie the two balloons at the two edges of the stick. Two edges of the stick. Stick ki two edges lo em cheyali manam rope to kattali. Aa balloons ni katteyali. We have to tie two balloons at the two edges with a rope. Then at the center, this is the center, no? You must balance the center. You must balance with the center. Okay, if you balance like that, నువ్వు బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తావు అనుకో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? Both are in the straight line. Any side also they won't bend. The two edges are in straight line. The two edges are at the straight line, are equal. The two edges are equal. Rendu equal ga untayi. One side also they won't bend out because the two are the inflated balloons. Rendu గాలి ఊదిరి నార్మల్ balloons kada. అందుకోసం అవుతాయి. They won't bend any side also. Any one of the side also it won't bend. ఇక్కడ కూడా అది bend అవ్వదు. Okay? Now both sides are equal. Both sides are equal. Both edges are at the straight line. A stick ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది. Stick was balanced. It is balanced. It is looking equal. The stick is looking like equal. రెండు equal గా కనబడతాయి. Then what we have to do? Remove one inflated balloon. Remove one inflated balloon. Then what you have to do? Next, remove one of the inflated balloon. Balloon తీసేయాలి. And then we have to let the air into it. You must blow the balloon. Understand me? First of all, both are the inflated balloons. అంటే రెండు గాలి ఊదిన బెలూన్స్ అవి. పట్టి చూసినప్పుడు ఏముంది, రెండు ఈక్వల్ కనబడింది. ద స్టిక్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ఈక్వల్, it is looking balance. Then remove one inflated balloon. Remove one inflated balloon. Then you must blow air into the balloon. Make it to big and big. ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? ఇన్ఫ్లేటెడ్ బెలూన్ తీసుకొని ఏం చేయాలి? You have to blow air into it. Blow air into it. Now it is the deflated balloon. Inflated means not having air. Deflated. Deflated balloon means having air into it. We are blowing air into it. Deflated balloon ante ఊదిన బుగ్గ. Okay? Now take the deflated balloon and tie to another edge. This is a deflated balloon. This is the deflated balloon. ఈ deflated balloon ఏం చేయాలి మనము? ఇక్కడ కట్టేయాలి. You must tie to another edge. You must tie to another edge. ఇంకో edge కట్టాం. Then now also they were at the balance. We can see the equal stick. No, the stick may bend. The stick may bend. The stick may bend to the stick may bend to the bend at the edge of the deflated balloon. Deflated balloon అంటే మనం ఎక్కడైతే ఆ ఊదిన బుగ్గను కట్టామో అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? బెండ్ ఏంటి కనబడుతుంది. We can see the stick bend at the edge of the deflated balloon. Where we tie the deflated balloon, there we can see the stick bend. By this we can understand that air has a weight. Air has weight. Weight. Air is having weight. Because it is not here, no air. In this balloon, no air. In this balloon is having air. That's what it's bend. It is bend. Understand me? So by this experiment we can understand that air occupies space and also air has weight. Air has weight also. Okay? Next one. Next experiment. Take one tumbler. Take one tumbler. And also take a wooden plate. Take a glass tumbler and a piece of thick cardboard which is fit enough to the glass. Take one tumbler. Tumbler means glass. Take one tumbler. Then what we have to take? We have to take a piece of thick cardboard. Piece of thick cardboard. We have to take a cardboard big enough to cover the mouth of the tumbler. It has to be the cardboard. The piece of cardboard should be very large. It is enough to keep on the mouth of the tumbler like a lid. We have to keep the cardboard on the tumbler mouth, and the tumbler mouth as a lid. మూతలాగా పెట్టడానికి ఎనఫ్ ఎంత అని కట్ చేసుకోవాలి దీన్ని కార్డ్బోర్డ్ని. ఓకే, we have to take a cardboard which is large enough to keep on the tumbler mouth. To keep on the tumbler mouth, take a glass and take a piece of cardboard. Take a piece of cardboard. Fill the tumbler with water to brim without air bubbles. What we have to do? We have to fill up the glass. We have to fill up the glass with water. We have to fill up the glass with the water. How much we have to fill up? We have to fill up totally. We have to fill up the glass completely with water. Even a drop of, we have to fill up the tumbler with completely with water. Okay, even though a small water bubble also should not appear on the glass, means it is totally covered with water. The glass should be totally covered with the water. అంటే నిండుగా వాటర్ పోయాలి. వాటర్ బబుల్స్ రావద్దంటే కొంచెం కూడా స్పేస్ మనము ఆపకుండా మొత్తం we have to fill up the glass totally with the water. Understand me? We have to fill up the glass totally with water. Then we have to keep the what is that? We have to keep the lid. We have to keep the lid of the cardboard. Then we have to keep the cardboard and the glass. Here the glass totally filled with water, no? Glass నిండుగా పోసాం. గ్లాస్ నిండా పోసాం మనం వాటర్ పోసాం. Now the glass is filled with the water totally. Then we have to keep the cardboard. We have to keep the cardboard on the mouth of the glass. Okay, then we have to turn it. Then we have to turn the glass. We have to turn the glass. We have to turn the glass now. Here is a cardboard now. Amma, now the water is fully. We kept the cardboard. After keeping the cardboard, we have to turn the glass. Understand? After keeping the cardboard, when a cardboard pettaka em cheyali manam glass ni, we have to turn the glass. If we turn the glass, actually if we turn the glass, the lid means cardboard. The cardboard has to fall down. The water also has to be fell down. మనం గ్లాస్ తిప్పా మనకి ఏమవుతుంది వాటర్ మొత్తం కింద పోవాలి. అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ దిస్. మనం గ్లాస్ తీసుకున్నాము, గ్లాస్ పైన కార్డ్బోర్డ్ పెట్టాము, గ్లాస్ నిండా వాటర్ పోసి పైన ఏం పెట్టాము కార్డ్బోర్డ్ పెట్టాము. కార్డ్బోర్డ్ ఏం చేస్తాం నెక్స్ట్? వీఆర్ టర్నింగ్ ద గ్లాస్. We turned the glass. Now the lid, the cardboard is down. Then the glass is there. If you keep like that, if you turn the glass ni turn chesavanko, the cardboard will not fall down and the water also will not fall down. Understand అవుతుందా? నార్మల్గా మనం ఇట్లా గ్లాస్ తిప్పితే ఏం జరగాలిరా? కార్డ్బోర్డ్ కింద పడిపోవాలి కదా. Okay, it is a glass. If you keep like this, the cardboard has to be fell down. Cardboard కింద పడిపోవాలి and water also has to be fell down. But the cardboard is not filling down and the water also not fell down. Why? Not fell down. Once you see, do the experiment in your house, it won't fall down. Why? Because here air is here what is having the pressure. What is having the pressure means water is pushing. At the same time, air. What is that down? Here, what is it? Air occupies every empty space. Here, air also pushing. Air is pushing up and the water is pushing down. Understand? From the down, air is pushing. From up, the water is pushing. Understand me? The air is pushing from up and the water is the air is pushing from upper and the water is pushing from down. That's what the cardboard won't fall down. Understand me? Both are having the equal pressures. Air and water both are having the equal pressure. That's what the cardboard won't fall down. Okay? By this experiment, we can understand air is having pressure. Air is having pressure. Next. Take an empty plastic bottle, a straw and a bottle. Make a hole near the bottom of the bottle and fit a stiff straw into the tightly. What we have to do? Take a plastic bottle. We have to take a plastic bottle. Take a plastic bottle. What shall we do? Take a plastic bottle and a straw. Take a plastic bottle and a straw. Must take a straw which is stronger. This is a plastic bottle. Then take a straw. Take a straw and fix the straw at the bottom of the bottle. This is the bottom now. This is the bottom of the bottle. Make a hole. Make a small hole. Chinna hole cheyali. Which is enough to fit a straw. Understand me? Take a plastic bottle. Take a plastic bottle. Make a small hole at the bottom of the bottle. Bottle ki chinna hole cheyali. Which is large enough to fit a straw. మనం స్ట్రా పెట్టడానికి ఎంత స్పేస్ అవసరమో అంత మట్టికి ఏం చేయాలి మనము హోల్ చేయాలి ఓకే మేక్ ఏ హోల్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్ టు ఫిట్ ఏ స్ట్రా నౌ ఫిట్ ఏ స్ట్రా ఇన్ ద హోల్ ఓకే నౌ టేక్ ఏ బెలూన్ and fix at the mouth. Fix at the mouth. Tie at the mouth. Some open space. కొంచెం ఓపెన్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ ఓకే ఫిట్ ఏ you must fix a balloon at the mouth of the plastic bottle. Fit a balloon. Tie a balloon at the mouth of the plastic bottle. కొంచెం just small opening ఉండాలి. You have to get the air to let the air in. Some opening should be okay. Now you must blow air through the straw. Understand me? ఏం చేయాలి నువ్వు you must blow air. ఏం చేయాలి గాలిని ఊదాలి ఎక్కడ నుండి must blow air through the straw. Here we fit the straw now. You must blow air through the straw. Now we are blowing the air now. The air is getting inside to the bottle. The air went inside to the bottle and then we can see the balloon may enlarge. Understand me? If you blow the straw, when you send the air through the straw, it made the balloon to enlarge. Understand me? నువ్వు ఎక్కడి నుండి గాలి వదావు స్ట్రా నుండి ఎయిర్ పంపించావు యూ బ్లో ఎయిర్ ఇన్ టు ద బాటిల్ ఓకే ఇన్ ద బాటిల్ వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ we fit a inflated balloon. Inflated అంటే గాలి మీద నార్మల్ బెలూన్ ని పెట్టాము ఓకే ద ఎయిర్ covered the air occupied space in the bottle and air entered into the inflated balloon also. Air entered into the inflated balloon. The గాలి ఊదిన balloon లోకి గాలి వెళ్ళింది అది ఏమవుతుంది it enlarged. The balloon may enlarged. Here the balloon may enlarged. How it was enlarged? We blow the air now, we send the air in it. The air makes the balloon to enlarge. Air moves from one place to another. By this experiment, we know that air is moving from one place to another place. Air went through straw and fill in the bottle and went to the balloon also. Means air is, by this experiment we can understand that air is moving from one place to another place. Okay, next important of air. Why we can't hold our breath for a long time as shown in the picture. As living things, both plants and animals need air to breathe. Respiration. Green plants need air to make their own food through photosynthesis. Animals that live in water breathe the air dissolved in water. They can't breathe on the land. Without air, there is no life on the earth. This is most important. What is most important about the air? Every living thing. Each and every living thing. What are the living things? Humans are living things. Animals are living things. Birds are living things. Insects are living things. Plants are living things. Each and every living thing need air to breathe. Air to breathe. Without breathing, we can't live. Once hold your hand on your nose for some time. Within 1 minute, we closed our mouth and also nose with our hand. Within seconds, we want to open it. 2 minutes ఉంటాము లేదు ఆ తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది we can't get respiration, we can't breathe. If you close our mouth and also nose, we can't live, we can't take breath. That's what soon after we removed our hand, we take a long breath. కాసేపు మనం ముక్కు నోరు మూసుకున్నాం అనుకురా మనకు అక్కడ బ్రీత్ ఆగదు. We can't take breath. That's what soon after we remove our hand and we take a long breath. అంటే బాగా ఎయిర్ లోపల తీసుకుంటాం. ఎందుకు ఇంతసేపు మనము ఆక్సిజన్ తీసుకోలేం కదా, అందుకోసమని లాంగ్ బ్రీత్ తీసుకుంటాం. That means each and every living thing need air to live. That is called respiration. Breathe in, breathe out is called a respiration. Respiration means breathe in and breathe out. Means the air get inside and the air goes outside is called a respiration. So air is very important in the process of respiration. Without respiration, without taking breath, any living thing can't live. So air is most important. Without air, we can't live 1 minute also. మన ఎయిర్ లేకుండా ఒక 1 minute కూడా మనం బ్రతకలేము. Within one minute we may die without having air. Understand? So it is most important. Not only the humans, not only the animals, but also plants. Plants also use air in making food. Plants also use air. How they use air? With the help of air, they make their own food. Plants also need air. They won't breathe like us. Manalaga breathe cheyadu. But they also need air. The plants also need air. In the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means they make the food with the help of the sunlight and also air. With the help of the sunlight and also air, they make their own food. That is called photosynthesis. The process of preparing food, preparing food by themselves is called photosynthesis. Means the plants and trees also need air to make their own food. Then own food తయారు చేయడానికి వాటికి కూడా ఎయిర్ అవసరమే. Without air they can't make food. They won't get food means we won't get food. Plants food they won't make food without air. If the plants won't make food, how do we get food? We can't know. So we are using air in the process of respiration. Plants and trees are using air in the process of photosynthesis. All the living, and also not only the animals on the land, but also the animals in the water, the water animals. The water animals also use air. They also breathe. They also breathe the air which is dissolved in the water. Amma, the sea animals are there. The water animals are there, Nana. The water animals are living in the water. You are thinking that the air is only on the land. Land paina what air untund anukuntunna manam. Not that. The air dissolved in the water also. The air dissolved in means in the water air is there. The sea water, in the ocean water, in the lake water. Also air was dissolved. Means Nana, here take a cup of salt. Take a glass of water. Take a cup of salt. Teaspoon. Take a spoonful of salt and take a tumbler full of water. You must keep the salt in the water. Salt and తీసుకెళ్ళి ఎందులో పెడతాము? ఎందులో వేయండి? వాటర్లో వేయండి. ఏమవుతుంది? After some time the salt was dissolved in the water. Salt is dissolved. Dissolved అంటే మొత్తం కలిసిపోయింది. ఎందులో కలిసిపోయింది? వాటర్లో కలిసిపోయింది. Take a spoonful of salt and a glass full of water. Keep the salt in the water. Wait for some time. Then what happened next? We can't see the salt. Can you divide salt and water? No, it was dissolved in the water. The salt is dissolved in the water. Like the same time, air is dissolved in the water. How the salt dissolved in the water? Salt ఎలా అయితే మొత్తం వాటర్లో డిజాల్వ్ అయిందో ఎయిర్ కూడా ఏమవుతుంది? ఎయిర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో డిజాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్. మిక్స్డ్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్. డిజాల్వ్డ్ మీన్స్ మిక్స్డ్. Air also dissolved in the water. The water animals breathe the air which is dissolved in the water. Understand me? The water animals also taking air. Water animal also taking air which is dissolved in the water. Understand? They can't breathe. They can't breathe the air which is on the land. The water animals can breathe the air. The water animals can take the air which is dissolved in the water only, not on the land. The land normal ga mem ikkada mana breathe తీసుకుంటున్నాం. And if you take a fish, if you take an example of fish, the fish can live in the water, not on the land. Why? If you take the fish from outside, the fish can live in the water. Water lo ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే అది బ్రతుకుతుంది. and తీసి బయటేస్తామనుకో ఏమవుతుందిరా? It may die. Why? It can't take breath. It can't take the air which is on the land. Understand అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? దట్స్ వాట్ ఇట్ మే డై విత్ ఇన్ సెకండ్స్. మన వాటర్ అనేది తీసి బయటేసామా కాసేపు కొట్టుకొని ఏమవుతుంది? చచ్చిపోతుంది. ఎందుకు? ఇట్ కాంట్ టేక్ ఎయిర్ విచ్ ఇస్ ఆన్ ద ల్యాండ్. ఓన్లీ ద వాటర్ అనిమల్స్ కెన్ టేక్ ద ఎయిర్ విచ్ ఇస్ డిజాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్. వాటర్లో డిజాల్వ్ అయిన ఎయిర్ని మాత్రం తీసుకుంటాయి. మన ల్యాండ్ పైన ఉన్న వాటిని దే కాంట్ టేక్. దట్స్ వాట్ దే మే డై. ఓకే? Without air, there is no life on the earth. Okay? Are you sure? No life. Without air, nobody live. So, air is most important. Today's class is completed. Bye.